The Delhi High Court has directed authorities to monitor the health of climate activist Sonam Wangchuk every day as he continues his indefinite hunger strike at Jantar Mantar. Hearing a public interest litigation, a bench led by Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyaya said the life of every citizen is valuable and ordered daily medical examinations along with immediate medical intervention whenever required. The centre and the Delhi government told the court that they had no objection to regular health checkups. The petition had expressed concern over Wangchuk's deteriorating condition and warned that allowing a peaceful protester to die of hunger would be a matter of serious concern. Wangchuk has been on an indefinite fast since June 28, supporting the Cockroach Janata Party's protest demanding the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over alleged irregularities in the NEET examination. In a video message, Wangchuk said medical tests including an ECG had not shown any immediate danger. He acknowledged feeling weak but said his vital organs were functioning normally. He urged supporters to join a planned Parliament march on July 20th instead of asking him to end his fast. According to his latest medical bulletin, Wangchuk has lost around 9 kilograms and doctors said his body has begun breaking down muscle tissue after exhausting its glucose and fat reserves. The protest has also drawn political support. AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal demanded Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation and backed Wangchuk's campaign. The Congress, Kapil Sibal, SP MP Dimple Yadav also appealed for dialogue while urging Wangchuk to end his fast and continue the larger fight through democratic means. Meanwhile, more than 500 farmers led by Rakesh Tikket joined the protest at Jantar Mantar in support of Wangchuk and the CJP agitation.